Welcome to My ERP. In this video, how the spare parts of the engineers are to be given to the customer will be seen. After going to the customer, the engineer replaces the spare parts. After replacing, the defective spare part has to come to our office. The process of defective return will be shown. To view the process of defective return, go to the Service module. Click on Defective Returns. For this defective return, we need to know how many parts were given the customer for a breakdown call. The amount of defective spares not returned. We can follow up with the engineers and order it. Here is the defective return register, where we can see all the parts of defective return. We can see how many spare parts are pending. Once we click on Pending, the Defective Return Index view will open. So here the ticket number, the date, and the name of the coordinator are visible. How old it is and the pending is visible as well. Here the name of the engineer and customer is visible. The branch call and the name of the product is also visible. The spare part information is visible here as well. The calls are visible. Finally, the serial number is visible. Once the defective part is received, the serial number comes automatically. Once saved, the defective return will be received. As soon as the defective return is received, the piece will be given for repair. If it is repaired, then the inventory can be entered by working so that it can be reused again. When the defective return is saved, it is received here. There are so many spare parts that have been received. It has now been received and sent for repair. It has come in working condition, or it is non-reparable. If we want to scrape it, it can be done. If we scrap it, it will go to our scrape register. You can observe the spare parts you have scrapped in a month, quarter, or a year. We have received a part, we will check to see if it needs to be changed, or if it needs to go for repair. Click on Repair, the 4 repairs will come. This is for the repair. After the repair, it can be added to the inventory. We can keep a record of how many spare parts are given to the engineer. This process can be tracked easily. If this was for repair, it is entered and now it is working. It has come in working condition. If it is working, it can be added to inventory. Once it is added to the inventory, it can be used again. The spare part, which is a costly, has been repaired multiple times. If we have repaired it, then we can add it to our inventory. Go to Inventory Adjustment and add this spare part. This spare part is visible, along with its cost. And submit. It is added to the inventory and now it can be used again. In this way, the leakage of the spare parts can be controlled. What spare parts are being given to the engineer, and whether they are defective can be tracked. The inventory adjustment has been added to the inventory section. In this way, defective return can be used. Thank you.